Hey everyone, it's really easy to get started with Python at this time in eras, and the easiest way is to go and use Google's online editor, which can be found at colab.research.google.com. All you have to do to get started is you just have to go to this website and sign into your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with this screen. All you need to do is click on New Notebook down here, and this will automatically create a new Python project for you. So in this cell up here, we're ready to go ahead and start coding Python. So we can do a quick hello world for tradition's sake. And using this left play button, it will run our code. It may take a second when it's first starting out, but as we can see, it has outputted hello world. Now, you can also save this project up here. You can rename it by clicking up in this box and just renaming it something really quick, like hey. You can also use the file menu to download your Python file to your computer if you wanted to. But basically, whatever you code in here and save, you can just pull up at any other time going to colab.research.google.com. And the two options for what you can do in here is you can either do a code block, which is like this, or you can do a quick text block like hello. And then it'll have a nicely formatted text block right here in case you wanted to use that as well. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video and want to see similar videos to this one. Thank you and see you in the next one.